Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
How to save money on a low income fast. Saving money on a modest income is certainly challenging, but it's a challenge brimming with opportunity. As expenses mount, it's natural to feel the squeeze, but remember, you have the power to navigate through this. Small lifestyle tweaks can create financial elbow room, making life more enjoyable and less stressful. Let's embark on a journey through 10 empowering strategies to save money swiftly, even on a tight budget. Champion of budgeting. Whatever your income level, embracing the art of budgeting can transform your financial outlook. A budget is your financial compass. It ensures every dollar is accounted for and spent with intention. Begin by categorizing your spending into needs and wants, and consider using a tool like Hiatus to help tailor a budget that mirrors your actual spending habits. This clarity will empower you to make spending choices that align with your financial goals. Initiate a savings account. Launching a savings account, particularly one with high returns, can put your savings on the fast track. Keeping savings out of immediate reach reduces temptation and helps your nest egg grow. High-yield accounts, offering significantly more than traditional ones, also ensure your funds are safe and readily accessible in case of unexpected events. Smartly reduce bills and utilities. Taking a magnifying glass to your bills can uncover potential savings you never knew existed. Perhaps a lower-cost phone or internet plan is available, or maybe a service like Hiatus can negotiate better rates for you. Even simple changes like adjusting your thermostat or showering at the gym can cumulatively lead to significant savings. Cut out unwanted subscriptions, audit your subscriptions, and keep only what truly adds value to your life. The Hiatus app can assist by conveniently canceling any superfluous services. This step isn't about deprivation. It's about prioritizing your financial well-being and freeing up funds that can be put towards your savings goals. Each of these steps is a stride towards financial liberation. With each positive change, you're not just saving money. You're investing in your peace of mind and building a life where money is a tool, not a burden. Stay the course, and you'll find that saving on a low income isn't just possible. It's your pathway to financial success. Harness the power of deals. Living on a budget doesn't mean missing out. Embrace the habit of hunting for deals and using coupons for your essential purchases. Sales can offer significant savings on clothing, household items, and tech gadgets. Compare prices across various stores to snag the best bargains. Avoid impulse purchases by focusing on what you truly need. Join community groups or forums that share information on discounts for additional savings on food, entertainment, and transport. Explore side hustles for extra income. If budget cuts aren't enough to reach your financial goals, consider earning extra income through a side job. The gig economy offers diverse opportunities like ride-sharing services, online tutoring, or selling items online. For those seeking flexible options, dog walking or house cleaning can supplement your income without disrupting your main job schedule. Cut down on food expenses. Food costs are inevitable, yet there's considerable room to economize without compromising on nutrition or enjoyment. Evaluate your monthly food spending to uncover potential savings. Preparing meals at home and brewing your own coffee can dramatically decrease your food expenses. Embrace these changes, and you might just find your food budget halved. Optimize your travel costs. Transportation can eat up a significant portion of your budget. Consider cycling or walking to nearby destinations to save on fuel and maintenance costs. Plus, it's great for your health. Public transport is another wallet-friendly alternative. If you have a colleague living nearby, carpooling could be mutually beneficial. These small adjustments can lead to substantial savings over time. Maximize pre-tax contributions. Increase your retirement savings effortlessly by setting up automatic contributions to a pre-tax retirement account like a 401k. This not only reduces your taxable income but may also qualify you for employer matching contributions, which is essentially bonus money towards your retirement. Just make sure you contribute enough to meet any minimum requirements for the match. Save on energy costs. Energy bills are a significant household expense, but they offer opportunities for savings. Instead of just turning off appliances, unplug them to prevent energy drain. Transitioning to LED bulbs and using energy-efficient appliances can further reduce your electricity consumption, lowering those monthly bills even more.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated Faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.